Meow. Ice cube. I'm going to rub you with an ice cube. No? Is it scary? You look so hot today, though. You're such a hot kitty. Let's get some ice on you. Cool you down some. Okay, is that enough? Let me just leave this ice cube somewhere. Maybe you can lick it or something. I just really don't want you to overheat. It's so hot today. Hi, Miso. Want to try the ice cube too? Would you like to try the ice cube? Do you want the ice cube too? Yeah. You're scared of even pets, so yeah, you're not gonna. Oh, you want to lick the ice cube? Yeah, that'll work. Okay, Miso's gonna lick the ice cube. Hopefully I cooled you down a little bit, Mouse. I know it sucks being wet. And I'm not gonna make a wet kitty joke. Everybody does that. We're not gonna do that. There you go. Let's cool you down some, hopefully. You wanna try again, Miso? Try to get some ice cube on you? Or do you really not like that? No? Okay, okay.